Making customers happy is a serious priority for us, so when one of our happy customers writes to tell us about a job well done, we love sharing that. This review is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that ensure every customer gets a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly appreciate our valued customers by paying attention to their needs and putting them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. So, if you're after great customer service that will cater to your needs, experience our first-rate, top-notch service today. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.